Hey, what's up guys? I just want to do a quick walk around of my 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. I got the regular cab, two-wheel drive with the 4.3 liter V6. It does just fine. I also got some wheels and tires on there that I think look pretty good. The General Grabber ATs, really nice thick tread. I only went in 4-ply because it is a two-wheel drive truck. Didn't think I needed something crazy to do any type of rock crawling. Then I went with the all-black American Racing wheels. Love them so far. Can't complain at all. I'm going to do a quick startup of the MBRP exhaust system that I bought for this truck, and again, it is a V6, so let's see how it sounds.